Welcome to another episode of the microprocessors course. In this episode, I will teach you the program memory addressing mode. This is another type of addressing mode. In the previous session, we have seen different types of addressing modes like base index, base relative index, direct to indirect to, and string addressing mode. All these instructions so far we have discussed. Now, it is the turn of the time of of learning the program memory addressing mode. So, in general, in program memory addressing mode, jump and call instructions is going to be used in this addressing mode. So there are different types of forms program memory addressing mode like direct program addressing mode and indirect program addressing mode, relative program addressing mode. Let them have a look of the program addressing. Them have a look at the direct program memory addressing. This addressing mode, we can specify the transfer of the program within the instructions along with the opcode. In this direct program memory addressing mode specifies where to transfer the program within the instructions along with the opcode. Let them take jump 4000H is the instructions. So we can use this address or the label in direct program memory addressing mode. Since jump have an opcode EA and the offset values default it is taking 0 and segment value is also going to be 0. So if that value is 4000, the segment will be the 4000, offset will be added with offset nothing but instruction pointer value will be added here along with the opcode. This is the format of the direct program memory addressing mode. Next one is indirect program memory addressing. In this addressing mode, we can use 16-bit registers like AX register, BX register, CX register, DX register, like general some sort of general purpose registers along with base registers and index registers like BP, SP and SI and DI. These are the index registers, and BP or SP are the pointer registers and the general purpose registers. Some sort of registers are going to be used here in indirect program addressing mode. In the previous addressing mode, we use the direct address. Now we are using indirect address. Indirectly we are using the address with the help of registers. Let us have an example of jump BX, means that jumps to memory locations addressed by BX. So BX carries one address. That address will be jumps to that particular memory location. Nothing but BX will be BX memory location which is pointed, that will be sent to the jump to the instruction pointer. So here jump BX means that jumps to memory locations addressed by the BX. So BX whatever the address is assigned to the BX, that address will be jump and pointed to the instruction pointer in the current code segment. Like that, jump near PTR BX jumps to memory locations addressed by the content of the data segment. Here we are putting in brackets, means that the content of the memory locations. So in general, the data segment is going to be taken as a segment address, and BX is an offset value. By adding with that, it points the particular memory location. That memory location is addressed by the data segment memory location addressor, and by the BX within the current code segment, it points to the instruction pointer. So the first address is BX, and the next higher byte successive memory location will be the BX plus 1. That will be pointed to the instruction pointer. In the similar way, you can point out the arrays. So the first instruction of the address is pointed out, and the consecutive memory locations will also be added into the array. So jump array BX means that the data segment value plus BX value going to be added, and the initial value array of BX and next value array BX plus 1. So the consecutive memory locations will be used in the array, particularly in two-dimensional array, to keeping the records and everything in a particular storeroom and other purposes. This array will be the useful in the form of indirect program addressing. In other examples, like jump in particular relative addressing mode, jump 05H means that we are restricting the instruction pointer. Jump a restricted amount of bytes, means that suppose the code segment value is 2000H and the instruction pointer is 5, then we have to restrict to jump next 5 bytes of the memory location, so that we can restrict or we can give the relative position of the memory locations. So using that relative, jump 05 is one of the instructions. So direct means that jump 4000H, and indirectly we can use the jump BX and other type of instructions we are using in jump.